Oh my gosh, we're back. And it's I, Brandon Bacon, and we're playing Wipeout, and I'm Chase, and that is Bryce.
We're at the Wipeout zone.
Yeah, we're at the Wipeout zone.
The first obstacle in the Wipeout zone is the catapult.
Yep. It's not really an obstacle. You don't do anything.
We just hit people with balls. And
Yay.
no, you throw this one first, and I'll hit the other girl.
Ha! They're stronger this game.
Oh no, this is me.
Okay, I'll cover this one. Tee.
Actually, no.
Oh, that looked painful. Oh gosh, that looked
nice.
That looked painful.
Ow!
Don't hit your head.
Ow!
Hit it again.
Ow.
The second time, it usually like launches you across the stage.
Woo! What the heck?
Oh my gosh, she survived. That's not good. Get in. She just told me to.
You're all scared.
Everyone's all scared.
That's the kind of catapult you're looking for.
Missed. Ow. Sorry.
Can you shut up, please?
No.
Yes. If you don't, I'm gonna kill you. Don't hit your
Let's
head
go.
on the thing.
No, because I don't want to die. Yeah.
Suck.
And only 9 seconds over the bonus
Shut up.
time. Now we have to hit her off. I'll hit her the first time, you hit her the second time, okay? Okay.
That's the kind of catapult you're looking for.
I missed. Hit her. Yes! You see that epic?
Yeah.
Miss.
Wow. Nope.
Tee.
I hate you. I hate you. The newest brother ever.
Oh gosh. Okay.
That didn't let me jump. That's not good. That's a bad boy.
Wait, now I'm missing it. I'm missing it. We're getting our car after this.
I shall die. I know. We should get dressed
New
after
car.
this. After
Yeah.
the Wipeout zone.
Like, we're not getting a car. It's our parents' new car.
Let's,
Okay, that didn't smell good.
bye.
Die.
Bye.
Die. Ready? Spink that funny. Crap. I'm sorry. Hit him when he's climbing up.
This is a dream.
It's not good. Hit him. Whoa.
That's not.
That wasn't what I expected.
Wow. Oops.
I spanked you in the face.
I want you. I want you. I want. Let's find my mommy.
It didn't jump, did it?
It is. You. And but.
Oh, it's already here. Yay. I'm gonna get hit with the ball now. I don't want that ball, the big ball. Big balls. I know where you find big balls.
Don't
The heck?
tell the
No, don't
world.
fall. Don't fall.
Please don't tell the world where you find balls.
What ball?
Big balls.
No, you find them in Wipeout.
No, the big balls.
Yeah, Wipeout.
The
Qualifier round?
wrong thing.
What do you mean, those black ones?
No, the wrong thing.
bowling balls?
No.
That's not what they are, Bryce.
Well, they are to me.
It's not what they are.
They are.
Back on the
Liar.
Fine, they're bouncy balls then.
Yes, bouncy balls. Bouncy balls are evil. They're like evil
They're
cupcakes.
stupid.
Hey, it's the horse girl. Die.
Killer. Pew pew. Shut.
No.
Kill. No. Skipper.
No one made it past that last obstacle, I think. Die.
Bye.
That will not.
Whee!
That was not pretty.
Remember when you got launched by one of those and then you landed on like the no. Wait, did you just not get wiped out when you hit that? You just like, ran right into it and that got hit. That was weird.
I made it.
Those look like bacon.
Got the dive and anticipating.
At least I made it for one.
For once.
For one.
That was like slow motion. I was like,
That was stupid. They should give you unlimited big thingies, big balls. So you can just like go pew 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 pew. Seriously.
Getting closer to the promised land.
crap. Hit her! Hit her! Hit her!
No!
Sometimes I actually hit the sky or people when they're flying on this. It's really funny. Oh, did you see that? Crap. I missed.
Wow!
That was luck right there. You almost fell.
I know. That almost hit you.
I know. I was scared it was gonna. I was like, ah.
Can I kill the cowgirl?
We're both gonna kill the cowgirl. She's Jessie the giant cowgirl. Passing out on the floor. That didn't sound right. No, we both missed. Die!
Chase!
Yay!
I got in second place. I got in second place.
No new characters.
That
John
sucks.
Henson surprised us all by
Okay.
taking the rest of the competition
Well,
behind the proverbial woodshed.
Still good, but
Yeah,
not really.
So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video.
So,
And that stinks.
Close.
So,
John Anderson.
well, we'll see you next time on one of our videos. So bye.